I encourage you to pause and try to do this one on your own and then come back. The manufacturer of a certain brand of cold tablets claims that the amounts of acetaminophen, otherwise known as Tylenol, have a mean of 200 milligrams. A researcher finds the mean to be 205 milligrams from a sample of 500 cold tablets. The population standard deviation is known to be 1.31 milligrams. Test the claim of the manufacturer at the 0.05 significance level. So we go to the problem, we find the word claim. We're talking about a mean of 200 milligrams. So hypotheses, null, h sub 0, h sub 1. We're talking about mean. It doesn't say less than or greater than. A mean of 200 is like mu equals 200. And so then the alternative would be mu is not equal to 200. By the way, the words will never say not equal to. They'll always say less than, greater than, or equal. So in this case, our claim is the null, and then the opposite is the not equal to. Because it's not equal to, that makes it a two-tail test. And now we need to find the right calculator function. Since we're talking about mu, we know it's z or t. So we go back and find the word standard deviation. And this time, the word population is in front of it. Hopefully you know by now that means sigma. And sigma means we get to use a z test. Off to the side, I'm going to write what we need, starting with mu sub 0, our number from our hypothesis. Then we have a sigma, which is population standard deviation, so 1.31. X bar is the average of the sample, so that's 205. N is the 500 tablets, and highlight the not equal to symbol. This is also a way for you to show your work on your quizzes by writing what you type. I've already put that into my graphing calculator under the Z test. Make sure that your numbers are correct as well and that you've highlighted the not equal to. Hit draw. We don't see any shading this time. It's probably pretty small. And the Z-score is ridiculously huge, 85.35, but we're going to go with it. P is 0. So test statistic is 85.35. It's very rare that that's so big, but go with it this time. P is 0. Alpha in the problem said 0.05 significance level. 0, of course, is less than 0.005. So if the P is low, then the null must go. We have another one that we're going to reject. But this time, remember, our claim was the equal sign. So when we go to our chart, we're looking for reject, but we're also looking for the equality. And so that is sentence number 3. There is sufficient evidence to warrant rejection of the claim that the amounts of acetaminophen have a mean of 200.